Hi, I'm Shirley with Wigs Warehouse, and today I want to show you how to wet set with a curling iron a synthetic wig. And this is not what's called true to life, heat defiant, heat resistant. This is just a monoacrylic fiber. This happens to be a Henry Margaux piece. It's a very nice piece. It's probably at least a year old. I went ahead and I set about half of it so that you could see the curls that you can put in it, and you can see that it's not burnt the wig. If anything, it's removed some of the little frizz. It also adds sheen. I will go ahead and mist this just to show you how I like to set them. I mist it with water, and the same with the curling iron. I will mist it if I haven't been using it for a while. Then I'm going to grab a section of hair and I'm going to roll it tight, and you can see there's some fuzz on the ends of this particular piece because it has been subjected to an oven. So I'm going to keep that tight, but I'm going to keep rolling it. So what that's going to do, it's going to pull all those little fuzzes and frizzy ends, and it's going to make them very, very smooth. I really like this particular type of curling iron. It's a Conair 1-inch. It is the one that's called Instant Heat. It does have a dial. You can go from 1 to, looks like goes up to 25. Obviously you don't want to use that hot of an iron for a synthetic. I tell people to leave it on like a 1. If you're really quick, maybe you need to boost it up to a 2 possibly. But you'll be able to tell what's going to work for you. This is available through our website, the curling iron is. I don't like the ones as a hairdresser. I can get ones that heat hotter, but that's really not what you're wanting for a synthetic. You want one that doesn't have quite as high of heat to it, and because the ones that the hairdressers use is produced for human hair. And this works real well on just your synthetic. So in there, I'll pull that out so you can see the ends are not burnt, they're not fuzzy. It's just a nice loose curl. I'll run my brush through this so you can see here. This just has the nice curl about it, what I had done prior. And it's not a fuzzy look, it's just a nice natural. You could even run your fingers through it if you wanted. This is the end results with those wigs that I curled. See, it's been done in an updo. It doesn't have any frizz about it, so your curling iron does not wreck a wig. If anything, like I said, it adds sheen. It actually could remove some of the fuzz, and then you're able to control it and get the look you want. So thank you.